Parler du temps qu'il fait. Parler du temps qu'il fait means to talk about weather. When you see temps here does not mean time. Here, parler du temps qu'il fait, it means to talk about the weather. Quel temps fait-il? This is an important question to know. What is the weather? Quel temps fait-il? Now, il fait beau. Il fait beau will be, it's pleasant. Il fait chaud. Il fait chaud will be, it's hot. Il fait froid. It will mean it's cold. Il pleut. It's raining. Il neige. It's snowing. So once more. Il fait beau means it's pleasant. Il fait chaud means it's hot. Il fait froid. It's cold. Il pleut. It means it rains or it's raining. Il neige. It snows or it's snowing. Now, la pluie. It's what you call the rain. La neige, snow. We use fait, means coming from the verb faire. Verb faire is the verb to do, to tell about the weather. Il fait, il fait, il fait. Only on the third person of singular. Because it's hot, it's cold. Okay.